Take it. We were able to pick up jewelry, these little diving toys, big chunks of our old vacuum, automatic little scrubber deal. And today we have quite a big box. We have this AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. And yes, this is a CES Innovative Product 2023 award winner. Now this thing will clean the bottom of your pool, but it will also clean the sides as well. And it's got a lot of smart features. It has a super long battery life. But what we're gonna do first is let's just unbox this thing and then we're gonna go throw it in the pool. All right, so here it is. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing opened up. On the box you can see it has details like it's cordless, path planning, quad motor system, long battery life, cleans larger pools, and wall cleaning capable. So it's like a spider pool cleaner. Very nice display in the box. A thank you card. It's the first thing I see. We have your manual and books inside this nice little envelope. Here's your charger and a retrieval hook. We're gonna have to set this box on the floor. And what you've been waiting to see, the actual Seagull Pro by AIPER Pool Robot. Check out this thing. Oh, I accidentally turned it on. I mean, look at this thing. 4-wheel drive, big rubber wheels that are gonna give you plenty of traction. You have your on-off control knob up here for your different modes. You have a water jet system right here because it shoots water out to help it stick to the walls. Very, very cool. And we're gonna open up this accessory box real quick. A big charger and a retrieval hook. I'm assuming, oh, you would just hook the handle with your pole there and pull it out of the water. Let's see what's all in this envelope. And as you would suspect, it's an owner's manual, a frequently asked questions in multiple languages. And this is like that waterproof paper, which is kind of cool. I think what we need to do is, let's put this thing on charge. And then once it's charged, we'll go throw it in the pool. All right, so I just pulled it out of the pool real quick. I want to give you a quick look at it. We're going to lift this up to access the basket in the back. And you can see that it has been quite busy. Getting all kind of crap and garbage off the bottom of our pool. Definitely does a better job than the pool guy does. Oh, it even picked up a water balloon. But yeah, does a great job. Here's the storage compartment. Whenever you want to use this thing, you have your 3 different modes. You have wall and floor, which is the auto mode. You have floor only, and you can also set it for wall only, so you can specify how the little robot cleans. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and let it finish its work. We're gonna open this back up, drop the basket back in, close the door. We're gonna turn it on. The floor and walls, and you just take it and throw it back in the pool. And after about 10 seconds or so, it'll start kicking on and getting back to work. And you can see it's going to pick up exactly where it left off, cleaning the walls. So here's a really cool feature of this little pool robot. It does clean the walls. It actually climbs up, scrubbing the sides, so if there's any algae it'd be removing that, and it comes all the way to the water line, and then it will go down, back up, move over a little bit, and come up and do the next section of wall. Very, very cool. So it's done its job, and to give you some of the quick specs that you may be wondering, this can handle pools up to 3,200 square feet. It takes 90 minutes to charge. It'll last 180 minutes. Of course, it's IPX8 waterproof. The max water depth is 3 meters or 10 feet. It uses 70 watts of power. It has a 9,000 mAh battery. It has a 25.2 volt battery pack. You have a single control knob on here for super easy function. Like I said, you have this is power off. You have floor and walls, floor only or walls only, and it does a tremendous job. This thing is taking our pool to a whole new level. All right, so I just pulled the AIPER up off the bottom, the Seagull Pro, and we do have a pool cleaner that comes and cleans our pool, but apparently his vacuum does not work as well as this thing does, because we were able to pick up dory, these little diving toys, big chunks of our old vacuum, automatic little scrubber deal. And look at all the sand and goop that was on the bottom of our pool that this little guy picked up. So it works quite well, does a great job. You can replace the brushes, you can replace in the back here. Let's see, we'll lift this up. Your little tray, you can get more of these if you need to. They actually make a larger model that fits down in this big compartment. And it's just a super nice pool vacuum, and it does work very, very well. My swimming pool is 8 feet deep. It had no trouble whatsoever, didn't take in any water, and it's just we're going to charge it up and send her back down there. So if you take care of your own pool, something like this is going to save you so much time, especially if you have to spend time like scraping algae or vacuuming the bottom of your pool. You can throw this in there every day for 3 hours, and it's going to clean your sides. It's going to stir the chemicals up off the bottom. It's going to remove dirt and debris and even small toys off the bottom like it did for us. And overall, it's a really reliable, good machine. My pool is 8 foot deep. It handled that no problem whatsoever, and it's just going to make pool life that much easier, so you can spend more time swimming and less time working. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.